Writing an obituary for a loved one can be a challenging but meaningful task. It not only shares the news of their passing, but also honors their life and legacy. An obituary allows you to celebrate their accomplishments, share memories, and connect with family and friends during a difficult time. Start by announcing your loved one's passing. Include their full name, age, date, and place of birth, and date of death. Sharing the cause of death is optional. Follow the family's wishes. Next, provide details about the memorial or funeral services, including the date, time, location, and any specific requests, like the dress code or donations in lieu of flowers. Share highlights from your loved one's life. Focus on their achievements, passions, and the unique qualities that made them who they were. Be mindful of word limits, especially in publications. Include a list of family members and close friends, both those who survived them and those who passed before. This shows the lasting bonds they created throughout their life. End with a special message or prayer, and if possible, add a photo of your loved one. This personal touch can offer comfort and bring their memory to life. Some people choose to write their own obituary. This allows someone to share their life's milestones and memories from their own perspective, while lightening the burden on loved ones. You can store your auto-obituary securely with Trustworthy, ensuring your family can easily access it when the time comes. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to write an obituary. Be accurate, collaborate with close friends and family, and always proofread to ensure it's clear and heartfelt. Writing an obituary is just one part of preparing for life's toughest moments. Trustworthy helps families store essential documents like estate plans, so everything's organized when it's needed most. Taking the time to write a meaningful obituary allows you to celebrate your loved one's life. And with Trustworthy, you can ensure that everything else is just as carefully managed. For more help, visit trustworthy.com.